Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start in Settings, unlock the device, and go straight to Network and Internet or Connections. Once there, tap Data Usage to see per app totals. This is where background limits live. Make sure mobile data is active so options appear. You want to locate the app list or background data toggles. Don't linger on home screens. If you're on a dual SIM phone, pick the SIM whose data you manage. Now, proceed to the app-level controls to adjust restrictions. You now select each app you need to change. Tap its entry to open app data details. Once inside, find background data or background restriction and toggle it off. This allows the app to use data when not on screen. If Android prompts with a confirmation, accept it. On some skins, you must also disable battery optimization for continuous background access. Make sure to repeat these steps for critical apps like messaging and sync services, because one change doesn't affect others. Once done, verify by returning to data usage and watching activity graphs for a few minutes while apps sync. This confirms background traffic is allowed. If an app misbehaves, re-enable the restriction and toggle it again, and make sure battery saver or data saver modes are off since they override app settings. If changes don't take effect, restart the device and then check carrier-managed restrictions. One key troubleshooting tip. Some VPNs or enterprise profiles enforce limits. Disable or consult admin if restrictions persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.